Alright everyone, so we're going to be doing a charcuterie board. I think that's what you call it. And all we're going to be adding is cheese, ham, strawberries, kiwi. I'm going to add some pickles, and some different things that we're going to arrange here on this board. This is just for me and my family. Alright, so as you see, my daughter is putting the ham right here on one side, and I just used these little picks here, and I got those picks from Z Gallery, and I've been had them since I think last Christmas. My husband bought them for me for Christmas. All right, and she's adding kiwi fruit because I absolutely love kiwi, strawberries, and I'm going to be adding some pickles in. All right, so really with this board, there's no right way or wrong way to put the things on there. It just depends on how you want to do it. Now this board I purchased from IKEA, if you can see right there. All right, so now we're adding grapes here on the side. All right, so now what I'm doing, I'm adding some of those brownie brittles. Hold that up right there. And it's right there. Alright, sorry. Those are so good. Alright. So we're going to add those to the side. Alright, so now we're going to add some of these praline pecans. These are really, really good. And so as you see, we have some healthy fruits. We have ham. We have the cheese that we cut up. My daughter actually cut them up in blocks herself. We just decided to do that since it's cheaper. All right. And like I said, this is your board, so you can do this any way you want. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some pickles. I absolutely love pickles. So I'm going to add a few of these here. Alright, just right in this area. Alright, and you can make your board as full as you want it, or you don't have to have it that full. It just depends on you and you know how you want it to be. Alright, so let me show you what I have. Alright, so this is my board. As you see, we have the cheese here. We have the brownie brittle, pecans, the kiwi up front, the strawberries, the ham, the grapes in the back, and we have pickles. And we have something sweet, okay? And we have like the grapes, or they kind of sweet, but they're a little sour. They're really good. We have the strawberries and the kiwi. So it's like a combination here on this board. All right, so I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Aisha family. And I just wanted to do this board for you just to show you how you can make your own board. This board can be used for any occasion. It can be used for a wedding. It can be used for a baby shower or any event that you may have. All right, make sure you check in the description box if you're looking for an event decorator. All right, so I will see you all in my next video.